What's up, guys? Have you ever wondered why girls are always running after bad boys and neglecting all the good boys that comes their way, begging for love? The answer to this is quite simple. Bad boys seem to always have it all when it comes to girls' needs. The needs in question have little or nothing to do with a bag full of cash or good looks. It goes far beyond that. From a general perspective, people see bad boys as jerks and a-holes. If they are that way, what could be so attractive about them? The truth is, bad boys are always assertive and confident, and these two alone attract ladies more than any other thing you can think of. Their dreams and aspirations always come first, whether it be to get rich or marry that one woman. Naturally, ladies tend to always crave for men with power and a sense of security, and often, bad boys usually have all of these in their possession. Do you want to shed your good boy skin and grow a new one, which is that of a bad boy? Right here in this video, we will be taking you through a step-by-step process on how to be a bad boy. 1. Always be a man. Being a man goes beyond you having the male figures and a good body frame. The true definition of a man that girls are always after is quite different from that. Girls are out to look for a man with his dreams, admirations, and plans. A man that won't compromise on any of these for any reason whatsoever. A man that doesn't pretend to be satisfied with something wrong. A man with confidence and free mind, ready to take life as it comes. And often, bad boys seem to always have all of these. To become a bad boy, all of these must be part of you. And the only way to make them part of you is by beginning to discover your values, the things that are unique about you, and what irritates you. All of these shape you into becoming that bad boy you really want to become. 2. Create your world. If you have never thought about becoming the center of your world, then you need to start thinking about that right now. Making yourself a priority changes the way others see you and how much they will value you. If you don't value you, then how else is anyone going to value you? Every bad boy you know understands this, and that is why they are always prioritizing themselves over any other thing. This might seem selfish, but ladies tend to appreciate that part of a man because it portrays self-reliance and strength. Another thing that you need to understand about creating your world is making yourself feel important. Don't count that as pride or ego. Instead, work on yourself by creating the best version of that bad boy charisma that you want. 3. Careless about everything. This might sound rather too awkward, but it's a secret known to only bad boys, and they have been using to always look sexier to girls. Unlike the good boys, bad boys always seem to have a way of showing people around them that have got everything under control, even if things are unlike it. This is because they have this special attitude in which they care less about everything and try to keep their nerves under control, even in difficult situations. Take, for example, a typical bad boy will not show much attention to things that do not really count, even though the soft part of him really care. Attitudes like this makes girls value their care when they show it once in a while. It's like a treat for them. But in the case of a good boy that pays details to everything that goes wrong with a girl and show all the care in the world, his care becomes less special and appreciated. For you to be a bad boy, you need to learn how to keep calm even when under pressure and seize the moment to show that you are a man who is always in charge, no matter how difficult the circumstances are around. 4. Never ask for permission. As you should know by now, ladies like surprises and bad boys know how to give that always, and the best part of it is that they never ask for permission to do so. Good boys often dig their own grave by asking for approval before doing some certain things. As a guy, you don't need to always do that. Imagine asking a girl if you were allowed to kiss her. What kind of answer are you expecting from her? A yes with a bright smile all over her face? Of course not. It's okay to be polite, but you don't need to at all times. There are times you have to man up, stand on your feet and kiss her, not minding what a reaction would be like, breaking all her rules in the process. You might not get the reaction you hope for, but your actions send a lot of messages to her. This also affects all other ramifications of your life if you want to be a bad boy and enjoy all the benefits which come with being a bad boy. We hope you enjoyed that. Make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe, like, and comment what else you'd like to see.